Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 3 of this building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in the interior wall. Now we're gonna continue working on this. First, we're going to extend this wall. So this is the circular wall that we created. We're just gonna extend that so that we will be able to add doors here for the exit door and for them to have access for the garbage area, especially if you have retail and restaurant here. They will need to have that access right here, and then we will have receiving area as well here. So like I said, we could be able to add in two receiving doors right here. So this will be a receiving area. And then we can add this one, some washroom for the lobby right here. And then this will be our grocery store. So I'm just checking here. And then we need to add in an opening right here as well. So let's click the interior wall and then CS. Here we're going to add a wall right here. And we could just offset this with the same offset, 2500. And then with this SL, that's split element, and then TR to trim and extend. And then we could just delete this. And then now we can add walls right here. So I'm just gonna add in a wall right about here just to do that. Here, let's just pull this back a little. We could actually extend this part. So here we could just extend it here. So it's just 20 degrees from there. Or to make it simple for everyone, what I can do is I could just put this one right here and just to put it. So let me redo this so that everybody can follow properly. So CS and then just add it onto the third line or third grid line, and then click on offset and then the same offset, 2500. Like so. Delete this and then just extend it, something like that. And then we could just pull this one up and then pull this one like so. And then here we could pull this up like that, make this, and then we could just add some doors right here or some office. So let's add in the same one, and then here we could just extend this by using a line and then extend this one all the way right there. Here we could just pull this one back, so this will be the exit. And then here we could just pull this one, or we could just leave this one open so everybody could have access to the receiving area and for the exit. So you will always have an exit right about here. We could add in the door on this side, and then we will have something right here as well, stairs, and this will be the common elevator with stairs as well, leading up to the penthouse. And then this will be the lobby. We will have stairs as well right here. With this space, because we will have the receiving area right here with the trucks, the garbage area right here. So we could have multiple trucks that can come here. This one is the compactor area. So in our area or where I live, you will they give incentives, or and sometimes um, they want you to design something for a compactor, so that for recycling air stuff. So it's very important to have a compactor area now when we're designing here. So with that said, we're just gonna add in this room like so. So it's just 55 degrees from there. So we could have access as well here for the receiving area, so that we could just go anywhere right here. And then this one will be some washrooms, and then we will have some stairs right here as well. So now for the stairs right here, we could just click on this wall, CS, and then we need at least, we can put 2500 here. So 2500, and then here we could just divide it in the middle. So I think this will be enough. So we could just extend this one, or just use the interior wall to just extend it all the way there. And then we will have our elevators right here. So we could just enclose this one. So let's see us again, around 2500. Oops. And then make sure that this is 2500. We could just move this one or this spot right here, and then just click here, and then 2500. So that's good. We're gonna add one more, 2500 again. And then let's add one at the back right here for some service elevator. What we could do is we could go to annotate, detailed, and then we could just add in our X mark right here. And then we're going to add an elevator door later on. So at least everybody knows where the elevator is. This will be stairs area. And then here, what we could do is we could just start dividing the space here. So for me, I'm thinking 2000. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a line right here, which is around 35 degrees. Okay, and then from there, we're gonna click the wall, and then click offset, which is OF, and then change this to 2000, and then click this wall again. Now we have our area for our entryway here. I'm thinking if this is small enough, I would like to have it maybe 2500 would be the best. With that said, now I think 2000 is more than enough. And then after that, CS again, and then we're going to divide this, not divide, but just add something like this. It's 127 degrees, and then we could just pull this one back like so. Once we move this back, we could just divide this one in the middle like that, and look for the perpendicular. Now we're dividing it properly, and then we can add our elevators. So same thing, CS, and then divide it in the middle like so, and then here as well. So look for, so we want to make sure everything is clear, and then we add this perpendicular to that, and just give it some space, and then this will be our elevators, and then we could just add this one as well. And then now we need to split element everything, SL, this we could just pull back, okay, and then here TR, trim and extend, and as you can see, it's hard to see if it's everything is proper, so might as well, I'm gonna offset this one so everything will be good. So I'm gonna offset this roughly around 3500, okay, and then here I'm gonna offset this to 3000, so I think that's easier, or let's do 2500. There we go. Now it's much better, and then we could just pull this back like that. Okay, so something that we could just trim and extend later. So SL now, and SL here. Pull this back, and pull this back, and then TR. And then just pull this back as well. There we go. And then let's just add an offset here as well, 2500. And then here as well. Pull this back like that. And like this as well. And then from here, just pull this back. That's for the back and service for the elevator. And then now we just need to go to annotate again. Detailed line, thin line, so it's good enough. And we just need to add an X mark. And then X mark right here as well. And then here as well. And then here we could just add Xmart, but we're gonna have we're going to have anyway the elevator doors, so don't worry about that. Okay, and lastly you could just add here. Okay, this will be our um, stairs, and then another door here with another door as well here. And then here we need to SL right here as well. Let's split element and then just pull this back. So at least this is finished. You're going to be able to visualize everything once we have added the door. For now, it's looking like this. And then I'm going to provide an elevator door. So I'm going to provide this door. And then we could just, you guys can just add it like that. So it's very easy. So for the opening, let's see if we could just change this. So the width, so we could just duplicate this. It's 1200. So now let's change this to another opening, bigger. So we could just change the width right here. So instead of here, we could just put 2000. And then let's edit again. And then this one, so the width, and then 2000 again right here for the structural, and then the regular width. $2,200 probably. There we go. So now we have the regular opening, and then we have a bigger opening which we need to duplicate, and then we create another type, change the structural opening width to 2200, and here and 2000 right here on the width. And that's good enough for me. It's representing the bigger size elevator. So here I'm just gonna add this one as well. And then for the smaller ones right here, and then right here as well. And then for the press escape, click this one, this big one, CS again, and then let's add it on the bigger one right here. So we have multiple elevators, and we have one for the back of the grocery store as well. We can also give this one an opening, so everybody can have an opening, or it's used for everything here as well. And also one thing that I need to add something here is we're gonna extend this one right here as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click here, CS, and then I'm gonna extend this to 2500, and then extend this one all the way right here. So we could just delete this one and then just put trim here. And then we need interior wall right here. So we're just going to add in a stairs right here, and it's very important so that we have access. So I'm just gonna add, and then here. So just extend this one 2500. What you could do is you could even drag this one 2500 like that, or you could do what I did is by extending this one 2500 and then just adding walls like that and walls right here so that we have access as well for the stairs. That's for the safety of the second floor as well. So we have stairs, multiple stairs on different areas, even here as well. So here we could just select this wall and then just put this one all the way up like that. This will be stairs as well. And then we have the lobby stairs and the grocery stairs as well. So for now, we're just gonna lastly add a vestibule here around 3000. So 3000 for a vestibule for the entrance on the lobby right here. And then for now, we're gonna stop here and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.